Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on high quality image uploads when you use data mobile and Wi-Fi on your account on X Switcher. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click accessibility display and languages settings, and now here you will find it some data usage. uh, Here you will find it high quality image upload. Just click on it and click mobile data and Wi-Fi and it will be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.